Spider crabs are large, spiky crustaceans that are commonly found around Devon and Cornwall's coast. They grow up to 80 cm in claw span. The claws are full of tasty white meat that is a prized delicacy in countries like Spain and France. If you're in the water at the right time of the year and in the right spot, they're literally impossible not to find. They grab onto any area of rocky reef and tend to be out in the open. Spring and early summer will see the first few coming in, and by midsummer the big males will join the smaller females. Generally there isn't much brown meat on a spider crab, but those long legs are full of white meat. The meat itself is different to a brown crab. It's sweeter and not as strong, and more similar in taste to a lobster. The good news is there's lots of them around and they're very easy to catch. When hunting for spider crabs, you're looking for the male crabs, as they have the biggest claws, whereas the females have very little meat in them. When you put a female and a male spider crab side by side, the differences are huge. Alongside the big claws, the males are also lacking the egg carrying pouch on the underside, like this female shown here in the video. Spider crabs are very easy to pick up despite their scary appearance. I find the best way to pick them up is simply come from above, grab the body and quickly tip them upside down. For defensive reasons, 90% of them will curl their legs into the body. To kill a crab humanely, leave it secured in a fridge for a couple of hours. Then, to be on the safe side, place the crab on its back, lift the belly flap up and drive a sharp knife straight through to its back. Boil the crab for about 15 to 20 minutes. Before picking out the flesh, be sure to remove the grey, spongy gills and the stomach sac located directly behind the jaws. So with the picked meat from the body of the crab, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And a bit of mayonnaise. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't done already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content.